You want?
Kurt, what are you making?
I'm making
Oh,
elephant food.
Yeah, you can eat
Elephant vitamins.
Yes, salad. Yeah, thinking you make a pie.
Is that tamarind and banana?
Tamarind and bananas and sea salt.
This one, you to soak up all the
ultimate,
moisture. And you can eat also
Energy balls.
rice.
I don't think I'm going to sample taste it.
No, this one for elephants.
It's for elephants, not for me.
All right. So now wrap up in the banana leaf.
You wanted cooking classes, right? So
Yeah, this one cooking for elephants. So two.
So you don't strip the back off. They are hard to fold.
Otherwise, yeah. Well, otherwise too small. Or you can do a little end or roll.
Like this?
Kurt,
Ah, okay.
You can do. Take one.
run!
He's stealing from me. He's stealing from my basket.
Alright.